What is silo structure and how to make it for website? Do you want to know what is silo structure and how to create silo structure for your blog? If yes, then in today's article I have told you about the silo structure in very easy words. Silo structure is very important for website ranking. It not only helps in ranking but also makes the website streamlined and improves user experience. What is silo structure? Silo structure is such a structure of a website in which many web pages of the blog are linked in a systematic way within one web page. Better way of silo structure blog is beneficial for crawling, indexing and ranking. There are many categories in all blogs and articles are also many in them. The main purpose of writing any article is to get it ranked on the search engine result page and to generate traffic. Backlink is an important factor in website ranking. Since there are many articles in the blog, it is also difficult to create backlinks for all the articles. In such a situation, you can link many posts in it by writing a pillar post. When you create a backlink for your pillar post, then the link from the link juice pillar post is also passed to other posts, due to which other articles of the blog also start ranking. You can make the homepage of your blog a silo structure. Because as your blog grows, most of the backlinks are available to your homepage, so you can create a good silo structure of the website by linking other blog posts from your homepage. Overall, the silo structure of the website is a strategy of internal linking. Example of silo structure. Let us use an example to understand silo structure better. Suppose you write computer-related content in your website. You use two categories to write content: computer hardware and computer software. In the category of computer hardware, you have written articles on keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, and in the category of software you have written about operating system, system software, driver, application software. Now you can create silo structure for your website in the following way. Here computer is your homepage and all your posts are linked to the homepage. When the page on your computer, i.e. the homepage, will get the backlink, then the link juice will pass to your other pages as well and the chances of ranking of your article will increase. Similarly, if there are other categories in your blog, then you can create a separate silo structure for everyone. Silo structure link quality. It is also important to understand link quality in silo structure. When the top page, computer, will link to the page below itself, hardware and software, then the quality of this type of link is the best. When the pages below, hardware and software, link to the pages above them, computer, the quality of the link is low. Since more links are found on the homepage, link juice is passed to all pages when other pages are linked from the homepage. Definition of silo structure. We can define silo structure in this way. The silo structure of a website is such a structure where there are many web page links from one web page. How to create a silo structure? Friends, by now you must have understood that what is silo structure. Now you know how you can create silo structure for your blog or website. Creating a silo structure for a website is quite easy. You can create a silo structure for your website in the ways given below. Write the post category wise. Write many quality content in the same category. Make the structure of the website systematically. Do internal linking properly. By just following these few steps, you can create a silo structure for your website. Advantages of silo structure. There are many benefits of creating a website's silo structure, such as silo structure distributes the link juice in different pages. The user gets a lot of content of the same category on the blog, due to which the user visits many web pages on the blog. This also reduces the bounce rate of the website. Crawling and indexing of the website is also better with silo structure. Silo structure also helps in getting the website ranked. Silo structure makes the website streamlined. Due to having a lot of quality articles on the same topic, search engines and users see you as an expert. Thank you.